Chasing relics. It's on a snowstorm now. Woo! And I'm cold. I got a little one poking out here. Little red tip. Had to come down here off the main mound up there because can't even see up there no more. The snow's covering the ground. Down here it's not. But nonetheless, here's a little arrowhead sticking out, I think. Let's see what it is. What is that? Oh, is it chipped a little bit? Yeah, it's a little bit broke. The base is broke on one side. Dang it. Oh well. That's like number 3 or 4 today. Not too bad, I guess. Sweet. I'd say I'm done. I'm going to walk back to the truck and come back here whenever it's a better day. And of course, whenever I can see the ground. Not a bad day at all. Chasing relics is over and out.